Otu jet rid of nekfat. Nekfat, some team referait to à turkenek, li juste beneat tuskin of tenek. It cambapeuse qui spot tout on up. Te best way to jet rid of nekfat ibi combini general vet los practice with exercise to support your vet los. Since impossible to spot trea, toning on specific area or losing vet in on specific area. General vet los sans exercice art most helpful measure to reduce the fat around your neck. Unfortunately it is something you can get rid of overnight. However, sticking to a healthy eating pattern en exercise routine can help you minimize the look of excess fat or skin around your neck. Decrease your daily calorie intake. No matter where you want to lose weight, you'll need to decrease your overall weight. Decreasing your total daily calorie will help you dota. Decrease your total daily calorie intake by about 500 calories daily. T will generally result about a 2 pound weight loss per week. Cutting out too many calories may result in slow weight loss and nutrition deficiency since you're not able to eat the recommended amount of essential nutrients you need daily. It helpful to use a food journal or journaling app to help you count how many calories you currently eat daily. Then subtract 500 calories to find a total to shoot for day to help you lose weight. Eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. But fruits and vegetables are very low calorie and very high in fiber, vitamin and mineral. Making half your meal and snack a fruit or vegetable can easily help you cut down on overall calorie intake. It typically recommended to consume about 5-9 serving of fruits and vegetables a day. When you eat to the food ml and snack, you should be able to consume the recommended amount. On a serving of fruits about 2 cups or a small piece. 5. On a serving of vegetable y 1 cup or 2 cups of salad. Switch to healthy carbohydrate. Whole grain ta content bran, germant endosperme, content more fiber en tes essential nutrients. When you use to eat a grain-based food, to use 100% whole grain. Use whole grain food like 100% whole wheat pasta or bread, brown rice, whole grain at, quinoa or barley. Refiné carbohydrate, food made with wheat flour or are overly processed, offer very little in the way of nutritional benefit. Fiber also slow the digestive process, making you feel full for a long period of time and giving your body a long period of time to absorb nutrients. Eat long protein. Long protein is essential to all diet, but even more important for a weight loss diet. Long protein have been shown to keep you feeling satisfied long compared to hot nutrients like carbohydrate. Include a 3-4 rose serving of protein a ml or snack. The serving is similar to the size of an adult palm or a deck of a car. Food to three include, low fat dairy, seafood, lamb beef, poultry, egg, legumes and tofu. Stay hydrated. Water is essential in keeping your bodily function running properly. Moreover, hydrated skin is far less likely to sag or parlose. To get in at least 8 glasses of hydrating fluid daily. Some people may need up to 13 glasses daily. It will depend on your weight, gender and activity level. Water also help lower your appetite. Thirst and hydration can feel same like a which could trigger you to eat more than you should. Opt for water and sweetened beverage over sugary drink like sweetened juice and soda. Sweetened drink are usually high in anti-calorie. Avoid drink that dehydrate you. T include anything with caffeine, like soda and coffee, and alcohol. Perform cardiovascular exercise. Aerobic or cardio exercise will help burn calories and support your weight loss. CDC recommande à du perform about 150 minutes of cardio exercise a week. You could do 30 minutes of cardio 5 days of a week to meet minimum goal. Try a variety of exercise like walking, jogging bar oblique running, biking, using elliptical, swimming or dancing. In addition to helping support weight loss or healthy weight, cardiovascular activity have also been shown to help manage diabetes, blood pressure and cholesterol level. Do 2 days of strength training. In addition to cardiovascular exercise, you should also include a few days of strength resistance training. CDC recommend 2 days of strength training for at least 20 minutes a session. He also recommended to do a variety of exercises so that you will work a major muscle group, leg, chest, core, arm, etc. There are a variety of activities that can count strength training including, lifting free weight, using weight machine, yoga and pilates. Avoid neck toning exercise. There are a variety of exercises that have been promoted to help get rid of neck fat. However, most have the opposite effect. Although you might think that working or strengthening the muscle around your neck could help get rid of fat, these exercises may only bulk up your neck muscle. Bulky muscle will make your neck look thicker, no smaller. In general, when you lose weight, you will notice a decrease in the amount of fat that you carry around your neck. Always wear sunscreen. In addition to the exercise, wearing regular sunscreen can help slow the look of every wrinkle, sagging aged skin. If you have some damaged skin that every wrinkle looks more aged, it can worsen the look of excess fat stored around your neck. He recommended to wear at least 15 SPF year-round for both men and women. You may need the SPF if you're in direct sunlight for long period of time. Use retinol cream. There are a variety of retinoid-based wrinkle cream sold with quantity and also by prescription. Some of the cream will help build collagen and smooth wrinkle. Used in combination with sunscreen, moisturizer, diet and exercise, the cream can help the look of sagging, wrinkled neck skin. Procedure en cream used in a dermatology office are considered the best or gold standard and generally receive the best reçu. Consider surgical treatment. If you've tried the exercise en skin cream, you may want to consider a more drastic measure to remove excess fat or skin around your neck. There are a variety of treatment options available including, liposuction, botox, laser treatment and neck lift. Make a consultation with a dermatologist to get idea of what would be best for your body and budget, as some of the treatment can be costly.